What's up, everybody? It is Marshall here. I have a Wine Express tasting, and we got Derby. This is 2018 Cabernet Sauvignon. This is the Derby Vineyard, their Vineyard Select Series, and this is Paso. So this vineyard's in that like Templeton Gap area of Paso, and they're growing some really great cabs there. You know, I hate to say Paso's an up-and-coming region anymore because I think it's just here as one of the better cab growing regions in California. And value, right? Paso's all about value. There's some really high-end wines, but this one's lesser known. This is a family-run vineyard and small lots, right? It's like 255 cases, so they're not making a lot of wine here. But what they are doing is doing really traditional, oak aging. This is like 32 months. Yeah, 32 months in 35% new French oak. French oak, love French oak. The rest in neutral. And this is a 2018 vintage. 2018 vintage, oh, man, can't get enough of 2018. One of the best vintages in all of California, especially for cab. Really warm, oh, God. And this thing is just screaming Cabernet. Check out the color, right? We're getting just maybe a little bit of garnet there, but we're still like kind of in that ruby area, but little hints of garnet that are starting to come out. Super intense nose of what you'd expect on cab, right? Black currant, cassis, blackberry, bottle age, starting to just come out, getting that little like olive kind of note, which I love. Little tobacco leaf going on. The spices are starting to pop out here. A little cinnamon, a little bit of vanilla, 32 months. It's a lot of time in oak. Maybe just a hint of that like truffle mushroom under there too. Whew. Super aromatic. Such balance on this wine. All those same fruit flavors coming around on the palate, but it has this elegance on the palate. There's acidity that's mouth-watering. It's not just like there, it's prevalent. The tannins have softened, so they're well integrated into this wine. Those beautiful olive notes and that tobacco really comes out on the palate too. The finish is long, it's hanging, it's lingering. This is a juicy wine, right? There's a food element here that you know that this wine is going to pair well with. Can it handle steak? Sure, it's a little bit refined for that. Maybe something a little bit more delicate, but this is something that's drinking really well right now. And again, value under $30 for 2018 Paso cab of this quality is just incredible. We hadn't found it or heard of it before. New to us. Make sure you grab what you can because it ain't gonna last. Cheers.